Namar ka jingsha keno klem nang rim ba ka sorkar Meghalaya ka shimlot da ka ram, ka Myntri ka sorkar India ka bapet ya ka tyngka ka Nirmala Sitharaman, kalawan sa Meghalaya ban Pynshai hidaladik na bakipad ba kin omsotu bakla hakabaya day bat ka jing keno. Kalaong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kayo aban pindon kami ka pisa lingba ka jingkasyan ka batip kum ka Special Assistance to State for Capital Investment lani ka saski hakabaya ka pisa laay siya kijilla kum ka jingkasyan. Kani kamut ba ka jilla Meghalaya kayo ya kani ka pisa na kabentasan postnam bad ompat don kam AA bansiyono. Shushu kani ka Myntri ka sorkar India kala Pynshai ba andal akut kata ka san postnam madu bentip ba ka sorkar ha kata ka por kan ong penban ba omdan kam shu ban siu ya kata ka pisa lani omdan kam ru ban siu wat ya kasut. Kani ka jingkasyan ya ki jilla kasdang hadin ka jingsha lin shop hau kenyang jingpang COVID-19 ha kaba Myntri rang ba adu ka ri Narendra Modi ulaong. Kalong ka ba don kam ban kersyan ya ki jilla kena bakin la ban pen im bat pen klan biang ya kayo kakot hadin ka jingsha kata ajur.
And this is, we repeat very often, SASCI funded. It is a state assistance, which are special assistance, which are being given for capital expenditure for the states. It means that you get the money for 50 years without having to pay any interest on them. And after 50 years, as was explained by the Chief Minister, what you get today and what the value of that money would be after 50 years is a different story. And whether at that 50th year, the government of that day would say, all right, it was given, it's taken as a grant, you keep it, we don't know. But we are not going to ask you to repay that, nor ask you to give any interest on that. Take these monies and build capital assets. Now, this started post-COVID, when Prime Minister Modi said, we should help states to revive after COVID. So the economy recovery is dependent on states' recovery as well. So no good if central government spends money on capital expenditure, but some of that should go to the states. And that is why from 2020-21, we are giving capital assistance to the states so that they can, some portion of it comes without any condition, some portion comes with nudging the state to undertake reforms.